What's up, my Immortal fams, and welcome back to our channel Arcade Immortal. And today's video, I'm going to share a very common issue you must be facing. So, if you are using a old EA or indicator that is cracked or something from some other website, you may have noticed that it's not opening. Like this, it's not opening. You can see it's opening on here, but I have another MT4 which is not opening. See, I'm clicking on it, but nothing is happening. See, so this is a very common error. So if you are facing this issue, then watch the video till the end. I will give you a fix in less than 5 minutes of this video. So if you have 5 minutes, just watch this video and all your issues will be fixed. And if you like this video, then do like and subscribe to my channel. I make almost regular videos like this. I try to be regular, but mostly I am busy on my trading. So if you want tips like this on trading, then you can subscribe. So let's just start with the video. Introduction is done. So it's a very simple fix. As you can see, it's working on here. It is working on here because I have an older version of the MT4. Okay, this fix is only for MT4. I don't think MT5 robots are affected. This is only for MT4, so I have the title like that. So you can see this version is on 1st March 2024, which is the version we need to downgrade. So if you have a newer version, like you can see in here, this version in here, it has 24th May 2024. So this is the issue. This is the issue. You need to downgrade your MT4. Okay, so I will just show you how to do it, which is very easy. So first of all, you need to find the like file location, and also you need to download the file. This is the file you will get after downloading, which is after extracting. It will be in a GIF file, so just extract it with any extractor. So once you extract, you have to read in here how to do it. Okay, it's written in here, so I will just show you the process how to do it, because written stuff you cannot understand that easily. All you have to do is just copy, go to this folder and copy all these files, copy it and find the folder of this. So this is the OctaFX MT4. So you can see in here I already have this in here, recently added, but otherwise you can just search it for it. Okay, whichever broker it is, the MT4 option. So just click on open file location. So if you don't get the exact file location, then again do open file location. In here you have to paste the file, that's all. Okay, and also you need to keep the MT4 off. Remember to keep the MT4 off. Even if you have running trades on that MT4, doesn't matter. Once it's downgraded, it will start working normally, no issues at all. But still you can make a backup of your file. It's written on the in here instruction. If you go to the instruction, it's written how to do backups. Okay, create a backup. Okay, all you have to do is just copy and paste all these files in another folder if you want to make a backup. Okay, otherwise you can whatever you want. Okay, just click on replace now. Okay, click on this, and once you have done it, you have to run this thing also. Right click on it and run as administrator. Okay, once it's done, that's all, it's done. And once you open the MT4, okay, click on no. You don't need to update anymore, and you can see whenever you get this notification, you just got a notification. I hope you got saw the notification that client update or something. Just click on no always. Never update your MT4, otherwise it will stop working. And you can see in here, before it was like 24th May 2024 update, but now it's back to this. And this MT4, it was not working. Now see, it's working. Now I can open this old EA and indicators, whatever you want to do. So that's it. 5 minutes are done. So that's it for the video. If you like this video, then do subscribe and follow my channel. So that's a very easy fix. So I hope you like this video. So see you on my next videos. Till then, bye.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold.